How's it going?
I have been making a lot of ketogenic recipes lately. So let's make something ketogenic. Ketogenic chocolate berry mousse.
That's what I'm talking about. Wait. Okay, now, from the beginning.
So why are we making it? We were
This
already there.
is delicious.
Delicious. Let's make it, everybody. For this recipe, we need a big bowl.
A really big bowl. We need 1 creamer, either collagen-based or vegan.
We need blueberries and coconut cream,
Chocolate protein powder and raw cacao.
strawberries and avocados.
We also need some delicious cinnamon and chocolate stevia, if you've got it. Otherwise regular stevia. And if you don't have that much of a sweet tooth, you can leave it out. Smush the avocados into the bowl. Haha, I'm gonna get them all in before you can even finish your trick.
Oh wow.
Look, I'm wasting none, you're wasting heaps.
So how do you do that?
Use
then?
your finger.
Okay.
So stop doing what you're doing and do it more like me.
Basically, that's how this whole cooking show is going.
How did you manage to mangle that avocado so badly? Protein powder, go!
Okay.
Raw cacao,
Nice.
and cinnamon, and creamer, and
Then the creamer. So which one are you using, Diana?
this one, we're going to use the Dose & Co. And finally, our friend, coconut cream.
Okay, all the blueberries in.
Get them.
Strawberries have to wait.
Yep.
Okay.
They wait until it's about to go in the refrigerator.
Okay.
Stevia drops. Get
And
it, boss.
is it all right if I like squeeze all those blueberries as well?
Yeah, squash them.
Okay.
Beat them up. Oh, and you totally could have done this in a blender and it would have taken way less time.
This
Okay.
looks good.
Strawberries in. And a quick mix. And
Mix it all together.
into the fridge it all goes to set.
Okay, now. Are you ready?
Hi. Oh my gosh, do you want to try this?
No, not today. Okay, ready?
Go on.
Okay.
Non-vegan? How is it?
Really good.
Okay.
I thought you would taste the avocado very much. Not so much.
Nope.
This was another good recipe, Diana.
Uh-huh.
I'll just keep eating here.
Same.